Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to eliminate, delete our card, our credit card or debit card of our Amazon account. So the first step is go to the option of your profile, and now you need to go to the option of account and settings. You pick here. You need to wait a few minutes. And in the page, but so if you don't log in, the only thing you need to do is put your password. And after that, you need to go to the option of set a payment method. So if you pick here call, or there is the option of management wallet too. So in this option, you got your card, and the only thing you need to do to delete this card is pick here in remove, and that's it. And when you remove this card, you can put another card in the same place, in the same option. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.